These seals look absolutely perfect.
Keep up the good work.
Our advanced system ensures perfect precision. Each flatbread is baked to a golden texture. High-speed cooling completes the process. Precision machinery ensures the perfect chapati dough. Water and flour mix under strict quality controls. Welcome to the future of flatbread production, where precision technology meets traditional recipes, ensuring perfect quality in every bite.
The temperature is holding steady.
Perfect. The texture looks great.
This facility produces thousands of chapatis every hour. Each one is perfectly stacked and ready for packaging.
Temperature is perfect at 90 degrees.
Seal integrity looks good on this batch.
This entire batch is good to go.
These are perfectly consistent in size and shape.
Excellent. The moisture levels are ideal too.
Let's ensure the cooling line maintains this temperature.
Welcome to the future of food automation. Here, thousands of perfect chapatis are produced every hour. Robotic arms ensure precision stacking with absolute hygiene.
Precision mixing ensures the perfect texture. This automated system handles over a ton of dough daily. Every batch is perfectly consistent. This guarantees that classic soft layer.
We strictly monitor the consistency of every batch. This ensures perfect elasticity.
Welcome to the future of food production. Here, robotic systems ensure absolute precision. Each chapati is pressed and baked to perfection, guaranteeing quality in every bite.